This is Emhape Tech with new video. It's no understatement to say that the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus are the most important Android phones of the year. At first glance, you'd be forgiven for thinking you were looking at last year's flagships. Samsung says that the Galaxy S8 was its most popular design ever, and so the S9 consciously iterates on that rather than embracing change for its own sake. So, the Galaxy S9 sticks with the 5.8-inch Quad HD curved Super AMOLED display of its predecessor, and the Galaxy S9 Plus with the 6.2-inch version, each running at 2960 by 1440 resolution, though now 15% brighter than before. What is recognizable is the weight increase. The S9 is 163 grams, versus the 155 grams of the S8, while the S9 Plus is 189 grams, versus the S8 Plus is 173 grams. Still, they look and feel sleek and smart, and more than a little slippery. What you'll probably notice first is the repositioning of the fingerprint sensor on the rear, which is now underneath the camera rather than alongside it. That, Samsung is blunt about, was a decision that came down to user feedback, and the S9 and S9 Plus are all the better for it. Other improvements include stereo speaker support now. The S9 still has a speaker on the bottom edge, but now the earpiece driver can be used for playback too. It's noticeably louder and clearer than on the S8. Samsung says the AKG Tune speakers are in fact 1.4x more powerful than before. What the S8 and S8 Plus got right, so the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus preserve. You still get a 3.5mm headphone jack and a microSD slot, the latter now supporting up to 400GB cards. There's still IP68 water and dust resistance, while onboard storage will range from 64GB to 256GB, country depending. The S9 keeps the 3000 mAh battery of before, and the S9 Plus the 3500 mAh of its predecessor. Samsung's big push for 2018 is upgrading the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus's photography talents. Both phones get a new super speed dual-pixel 12-megapixel sensor, with optical image stabilization. On the front of both new phones there's an 8-megapixel autofocus camera with f/1.7 optics. That's used for Samsung's new R emoji, the company's retort to Apple's Animoji. Like the animated iPhone X emoji, Samsung is using face tracking, but the difference is that the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus create the animated character from you yourself. The new DexPad is compatible with the old S8 and S8 Plus, too, but the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus support 2K displays in addition to Full HD. That gives more screen real estate for the Windows-like UI. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.
We'll be right back.